we're gonna work on spin circles. Down, pup. All right, to start, I'm going to have her stand. Good girl. And I am going to turn her in a circle, and I'm gonna give her a treat on the quarter turn, half turn, and 3/4 turn, and then the finish. So, good girl. Good. Yes, good girl. Very good, Bob. Ready? Stand. Good job. What a good girl. You can also kind of just do quarter, reset, half, reset. Good job. And if she finishes on her own, I'm going to reward that. Good girl. Nope, that time she didn't. That's okay. Yay! Good girl. So smart. All right, since she's doing that well, now I'm going to try for just a 3/4 turn. Yes, good job. We're going to do another 3/4 turn. Yes, good job. So I'm rewarding her for finishing as well. Okay, ready, Papa? Yes, go, Papa. Yes, good job. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I just kind of take my fingers and put them in my treat pouch and kind of, get the smell of treats on them. Will she just follow it? Yes, good girl. So no treat, cookie at the end. Yes, no treat, cookie at the end. Yes, good girl. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of still have no treat in my hand, but my hand's gonna smell like cookies. And I'm gonna do a half turn lower, and then see if she will, if I kind of pull my hand quickly away, if she will finish the turn. Okay, ready? Yes, good girl. So no treat in hand. Yes. Ready? Yes. Yes. Good job. What a good smart puppy. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. All right, so that's going real well. So now I'm going to try to see if I can do just a 1/4 turn and bring my hand away, if she'll finish it. All right, you ready, Papa? Ready? Oh, you're going to go down there. Very cute. All right, come here. Good girl. Oh, no, this is a good pop. Ready? Ready? Yes, good girl. So smart of you. Yes. I'm going to use my other hand. Since I want to go into the right, I'm going to kind of mirror image with my other hand. Yes, good job. Yes, and now that's going to kind of become a hand signal for the spin. Yes, good girl. Yes, good job. Now that she's kind of starting to offer it a little too, I can add the word spin. Yes, spin. Yes. Spin. Yes. Spin. Yes. Good girl. Now let's see if she'll do it without any hand signal. Oh, that's good girl. Spin. Yes. Spin. Yes. Good girl. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Spin. Good girl. Come here. Spin. Yes. Spin. Good job. What a good girl. So good. So good. Yeah, she's a really good puppy. That's a really good puppy. If your dog is a little confused about the spin and is kind of backing away from the treat or just kind of not sure what to do, Put your dog into a corner or smaller space so that there'll be less likelihood that she would kind of do a backing up or other kind of behavior instead. Good girl. Another option would be a raised surface stand. So there's kind of less room for her to kind of move in any other way, and we're just gonna kind of go to turning a little. Good girl. Good job. Nice of you, good girl. Ready? Turning. Look. Did we lose one? Yeah. Whoops. Good girl. As all right, turning stand. Good girl. Nice. Good job. What a good pup. Good girl. Ready? Nice. Good job. Good. If I'm getting a sit from her, I'm probably holding the treat too high. Good girl. Very smart. Good job. Good boy. So if you have a small dog or a dog that doesn't like you towering over them as you're luring, you can teach them to touch a target stick, which will kind of extend your arm so that you are not towering over them if they're sensitive and don't enjoy that. Ready, Golden? Touch. Touch. Nice. Good job. Okay, ready? River. Touch. Yes. Good boy. River. Touch. Yes. Good job. Ready? Good boy. Yes. Good boy. What a good boy. Ready? Yes. Reverse spin. Yes. Yes. Spin. Yes. Spin. Yes. Spin. Yes. Good boy. So smart. Ready? Spin. Yes. Good job. Ready, River? Spin. Who's a toga cookie first? Okay, ready? Spin. Yes. Good boy. So smart. Good boy.